Want to add a new language keyboard on your iPhone? Here's how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then select Keyboard. Now, tap Keyboards at the top, and then select Add New Keyboard. You'll see a list of different languages. Simply scroll through the list and select the language you want to add. If you're given different keyboard layouts, choose the one you prefer. And that's it! Your new keyboard has now been added to your iPhone. To test it, open the Messages app and start a new conversation. When the keyboard appears, tap the globe icon in the bottom left corner. Your keyboard will instantly switch to the new language. You can tap the globe icon again to switch between your available keyboards. And if you want to add more languages, just repeat the same steps. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.